In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more markets in Shopify. This is an invaluable skill for anyone looking to expand their customer base and reach new regions with their online store. Let's walk through each step together, ensuring you fully understand each action in the process. To get started, open your Shopify admin and navigate to the left panel. Here, you'll find a section called Markets. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page showcasing your existing markets. In the top right corner, there's a button labeled Create Market. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to setting up a new market. Now, the first task at hand is giving your market a name. Naming it appropriately is key as it helps you easily identify which market you're working with, especially if you're managing multiple markets. Following this, you'll need to specify the regions that your new market will cover. This could be a single country or a cluster of countries, depending on your business expansion plans. The next major decision involves selecting the currency. Opt for the currency that aligns with your target region, as this fosters trust and convenience for your customers, ultimately encouraging them to make purchases. With your currency set, it's time to decide which products or catalogs you'd like to be featured in this market. Consider the preferences and needs of the region you're targeting. Whether it's a particular style, season, or trend, make sure your selection resonates with local demands. Moving forward, you'll need to choose the domain URL for your new market. This is crucial because it determines how your customers find you online. Alongside this, it's important to select the languages your market will have access to. Tailor these choices to fit the linguistic norms of your selected regions, which will enhance user experience and accessibility. Let's shift focus to taxes and duties. These need to be meticulously selected to comply with local regulations, ensuring both your business operation and your customers are protected from unexpected costs or legal issues. Proper setup here is vital to maintaining a seamless shopping experience. The final step involves selecting the theme for your online store. Your theme should align with the preferences and aesthetics that appeal to your new market. A well-chosen theme not only supports brand identity, but also boosts customer engagement. Once you've gone through these settings, simply click Save at the top of the page. And there you have it. Your new market is ready to go live. Each decision you've made plays a critical role in building a unique shopping experience tailored to your specific audience. By carefully setting up each component, you lay a solid foundation for your business to thrive in new markets. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide on adding more markets in Shopify both helpful and easy to follow. Happy selling!